Alrighty. I guess the real question is, should I get out of this trade or not? What is up, people? How we doing today? Hold on, I gotta check something. We're good over there, good over here. What's up, Jake of all trades? Good evening. I do believe this is going to be a rather slow evening. I can hear myself. That's the real question is, should I get out of this? That's not good. Don't want to hear myself. All right. Alrighty. So, I'm currently in a trade right now on Uniswap. I'm still up 33% on the trade, but I was up a lot more earlier. I don't know how long this pullback is going to last. We do have these two levels here I'm looking to hold as support. For those who might be wondering, this is what I'm looking at for Uniswap. Starting getting an aggressive downtrend. We held some support down here at $5.23, which is great. I don't know if we're going to get a confirmation low. I really don't know. If we do get that confirmation low, it's because the stochastic on the 4 hours awfully high. That doesn't make me feel good about this trade. You know what? We're going to exit it. I don't think I should be in a trade overnight. I really don't. So we're exiting out. I'm in no trades right now. No trades at all. Actually, I'm going to get rid of all of my alerts as well. Because I don't need them. Not in anything. So delete. Active. Alright. Now we can just look at this with some non-judging eyes. I'll probably make another decision within a half hour if I want to get back into a trade or not, but the 4 hour stochastics, they got me worried. Especially because a lot of things are hitting great areas for them to come back down, confirm a low, then get back to whatever they wanted to do. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that. Looking at Uniswap here, it looks like that drop was the confirmation low we would be looking for. And we would be looking for more upside, but not really easy to trust anything. What's up, Pepe? We'll check it out for you. We'll check it out. So yeah, we've been in a downtrend and then an extended downtrend here, accelerating before we had that nice fall off of a cliff. It's just we held weekly levels of support. So I don't know if it wants to hold the daily levels of support at 589 or if it wants to just break back above 817. Not sure, but I did just get out of the trade, so there's that. 1 hour is extremely promising for overnight trading. Extremely promising, but it does look like it might want to come back down to this level right around 652. I would like it way better all the way down here at 619. Powell's speaking tomorrow? Oh yeah, and Powell's talking? Ugh, great. Oh man, so I expect a lot of volatility, I guess. I didn't realize Powell was talking tomorrow. That's annoying. It's actually really annoying. Anyways, let's get into Bitcoin, because I know that's why most of you are here. Hey, Porky, can you look at SOX, MSTX since that pop up? If it changes your TA at all, I got out half of SOX on that pop. Regret not taking it all out after giving it all back. I understand, man. I did not see that giant pullback coming. So, mainly because it happened from a gosh damn Truth Social post. It's annoying. We all try to forget. But hey, at least I'm one of the few people on YouTube who'd be like, hey man, I had a bad call. I'm sorry. Had a bad call. MSTZ? Got it.
They want to quit.
Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. We have 2 sick children, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry to say, guys, the stream's gonna be shorter than expected because daughter just got a little gusher. Started getting a really bad bloody nose, so that's fun. Then I got my little man here who's sick. More fun. But now he's with me. So, we're going to cover Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm thinking. And then we're going to go over a couple of you guys' requests. Then, honestly, we're going to call it a night because it's about to be a rough one for you, boy. Anyways, so let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin on the weekly. That wasn't live yesterday. Didn't cover the weekly candle close. Don't you start grabbing stuff. Don't you start grabbing stuff. Alright, so clear the chart here. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly after the great dump, we still managed to not get a bearish engulfing candle after a bullish engulfing. This, in my eyes, is a very big deal. Very big deal. Very good thing that happened. Currently speaking, when it comes to Bitcoin's price action, all I want to see is us to stay above 109,000. That's it. Stay above 109K. We're doing good. What's up, bud? What's up, bud? You are just being a little handful today, aren't you? I think we're going to be a little bit range bound here between the 119 and 109 levels. Here you go, buddy. There you go. I think we're going to be a little bit range bound in here, possibly until, I don't know, rate cuts. We'll see. We'll see. But let's go into our daily time frame now. So on our daily, actually the daily doesn't look bad. Daily, we're in the bearish control zone. We got back above our 50 simple moving average, but now it looks like we're trying to bearishly engulf. This could lead us toward a confirmation low. Hey, little man. Hey, big. What is up, LNE? How you doing? Yeah, little man is here tonight. My daughter just had a gusher of a bloody nose, and let's be. My wife's feeling a little overwhelmed. So this is going to be a shorter stream, guys. Just kind of is what it is, you know. Got to handle the family. I like this better. So if we do come back down and we touch 111,758, I would find that to be a very bullish area to find support. So I will be waiting and watching to see if that happens. But weird things are happening on the lower time frame. So on the 1 hour, we have reset our stochastic all the way. We are sitting just above a level that was acting as a resistance on the 1 hour. It could act as a support at this 113.029. The thing I am going to point out, though, is the fact that we do have this semi-double top situation going on. So this could relate into that confirmation low. When you're looking at BTC heat map, is it better to look at the symbol or the pair? Always look at symbol, because then it'll go like the average across all exchanges. Yeah, always symbol, because if you're looking at pair, you're just looking at one exchange. That's it. Fair duties, yeah, man. You know, it's not very often dads are called upon in these young ages, but this is one of those nights. One of those nights. So yeah, right now on the 1 hour time frame, it does look as if we could find support. The thing that worries me about that is the fact that we did have previous support. We just decided to break through. So now I am thinking 111.758 would be a much better entry for longs, but that's just the idea that I'm having. And if that is the case, I would expect our next leg up to get somewhere around this 119.090. What is it? What's going on? Do you just not have enough attention? Because you got all the attention here, bud. All of it. Buddy. What are we doing? All right. So if we do get this move to the upside, not saying we will, but if we do, I would be looking at about a 4.8% move to the upside out of Bitcoin. It looks good to me on the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frames. It's the 4 hour that's holding me back here. The 4 hour doesn't look great, but if you look at your 15-minute, you can see on your RSI, you are more oversold now than you were back here. And back here was a nice low. Yeah, it's technically a lower low, but we are well into that oversold territory, just like we were on the crazy wick to the downside. So, it looks bullish to me. Anyways, we could see some bullishness overnight, see a little pullback in the morning. Would be totally fine. No big deal. Let's look back on the trade I got out of. So now I'm starting to have some regrets about getting out of my Uniswap trade, but it's okay. I don't have to be in it. We're good. Let's get into your guys'... let's get into the heat map real quick. So what I just saw, they were going after liquidity. There's still liquidity to the downside, so watch out for the lower high. It could continue going. But plenty of shorts are getting put in place. Let's check out your weekly time frame. On your weekly, we are starting to get the longs getting put into place, which some people just don't learn. Hopefully they're on lower leverage until we have a confirmation low. I would be a little bit cautious. So, just a heads up there when it comes to Bitcoin and its price action. But right now, you are severely oversold on Bitcoin, and you would be expecting a bounce to the upside, and I would be looking for this 4.88% move to the upside. Just my personal thoughts. Yes. Yes. Keep that. You keep that. Alrighty. So, let's go ahead and check out Pepe real quick. And then SOX and MSTZ. So, Pepe here on the daily. On the daily, we're still looking for the retracement, the 618 from your high to low to play out. You did do a great job of holding on to that 539 level. You got as low as 283. So if people are still interested in Pepe, they had their perfect buying opportunity down here at that 283. I would still be looking for it to get up to 1115. What's the matter, buddy? What is the matter? What's wrong? Is it because I'm not mommy? Is that why? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Are you getting cold? Is that what it is? No, you feel warm, bud. You feel really warm. Or are you tired? You'll be tired. You're a really bad napper today. Really bad napper. So on the daily, you did get a little oversold, which is nice. Still low on the stochastics. You did have a bearish cross after bearishly backtesting the 200 daily. Let's go into your 4 hour. Now your 4 hour, it has that same area of concern as pretty much Bitcoin and the rest of the market because everything moves together as one. But we could very well see a backtest of this level right here. He's tired. Random trader. Yeah, probably is. He was such a bad sleeper today. Would not surprise me in the least. You okay? You alright? You want to be a part of the show? You want to look over here? That better? Don't drop that. Don't you drop that. There are really 4 likes. Well, there's only 15 people viewing, so we can't expect them to hit the like button. We can't expect that. With a baby on screen, right? And beating the shit out of my desk. Oh my goodness. Alright. No more. No more. Alright, so Pepe, if it does come down, I am looking for strong support off the 727 level. After that, we got to get back above 856. That's really what we got to do. So if we do start catching the bids, we could see 11.39% to the upside for now. But then after that, we could see the rest of this 58% playing out. So that is Pepe. Stop it. What is it? What is it? Sorry guys, really distracted right now. This is my all day. So if you guys wonder why I don't do more stuff during the day, this. Right here. This. He does a great job of just, woof. Now 9 likes for that cute baby. Well, I appreciate you. Alrighty. You good? You good? Yeah? Anyways, let's go ahead and get into socks. Sheesh. Huh. Weird. TA is the same. How crazy is that? Alright, let's see the daily. Oh my goodness. TA is still the same for socks. We are still below the blue box of death. On that little pop to the upside, could not even get to the blue box. This looks bearish as heck. What's up, Nigel? How you doing? That's my face. That's my face. My face, not your face. I'll grab your face. Oh boy. So yeah, socks. I'm still leaning toward the exact same. This 9525. We do not have a higher low. We basically are just trying to maintain the exact same level while strength is trying to increase. Thoughts on Giggle? I'm not sure, man. At Nigel, I hate to be a very bad host tonight, but this little man is sick. So is my daughter. And my daughter just had like a crazy bloody nose, and I have to help out with the family. So after I get through MSTZ, I do have to call it a night, guys. Inside of the Discord, you guys can request your charts. Once I get available again tonight, I'll go into all the other requests and post them in the Discord. This is one of those days where as soon as I go live, shit hit the fan. So yeah. Some kind of meme that donates to kids' educational materials. Sounds like a scam. I'm sorry to say, but it actually sounds like a scam. Kids nowadays are just getting iPads. Alright, so socks stays the same. MSTZ. Yeah, I'm really sorry about being such a bad host tonight, guys. I don't mean it. It's just frustrating. Alrighty. Whoa, what a bounce this thing took. Holy crap. This looks really interesting. You're still downtrending in your relative strength. This is looking like a lower high. So now you actually have a level to break through. So if you can't break this downtrend, strong possibility you continue going down. That daily looking rough. Let's check out your weekly though. Ew. All you got is a stochastic on the weekly, and it is flatlining at the top. That's not great. Was that a bullish engulfing weekly candle though? Bullish engulfing weekly candle. Wow. Wow. Oh boy. You couldn't get oversold? Alright, so this is what I'm seeing right now. You have a low, a lower low, high, lower high. I would look for downside. This is what I would be looking for this one. Yeah, still aiming at pretty much the same price. 355 to 311 is what I'd be looking for. No worries, man. Appreciate the effort. Have a great night with your family, brother. I'm going to do my best, man. I'm going to do my best. That's all I can do right now. Hopefully, the sicknesses, they pass sooner than later. Goodness gracious. It is rough in this house the past few days. It is rough. Alright, guys. The link to the Discord is in the description down below. Maybe, Rich, if you could post up another link, that might help. If you guys aren't a part of the Discord, join the Discord. Okay, alright. I'm not going to put your ears through all that. When the term I have my hands full is visualized. Yeah, this is what I deal with. So yeah, everybody. Right now I would say be cautious until the morning. See what Wall Street wants to do. If you guys have any requests, please do your best to drop them in the Discord. There is a section where it says chart requests. Drop them in there. I will get to as many as I can tonight, and then the rest will be in the morning. But other than that, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Deuces, everybody. I'm out of here. I got to go take care of some babies. Take it easy, guys. And good luck.